So Quantiphi is often asked by our customers to help them with probably 4 challenges as they think about Gen AI implementation within their organization. One is data readiness. Is the data ready? Is it in a usable state? The second is, what use cases are most appropriate and why? Is it revenue? Is it cost savings? Is it productivity? Thirdly, what happens when you actually deploy a Gen AI solution? How do you maintain it, care and feed for it, and make it useful on an ongoing basis? And then lastly, what about responsible AI? And how do we ensure that we're adhering to the principles of governance to ensure that we avoid hallucinations and bad outcomes as customers deploy these solutions within their organizations?
We're honored to be partnered with AWS and have received the Generative AI Services and Solution Competency and are the only partner in North America to have that. For those who are unsure of where to start, Quantiphi is the go-to choice because we have both a Generative AI Advisory Workshop, which is led by skilled AI and data science experts to chart a roadmap in order to get time to value and business outcomes resolved with generative AI. The Generative AI Advisory Workshop is like a reliable GPS on your path to technology outcomes. One example of a Generative AI Advisory Workshop we ran was with a perishables distribution company. They wanted to shorten their sales timeline. As such, we ended up creating a Generative AI sales assistant that helped them put orders and information in front of the customer real time and be able to take that order and get sign-off immediately.
So Quantiphi has been asked to help many visionary Gen AI companies accelerate their generative AI journeys, and we can help them in 2 ways. We can certainly build their solutions using custom Amazon services. And now, as a result of our product launch of baioniq, we can help them accelerate that journey using our baioniq ISV product. It's fully developed leveraging Amazon's core machine learning and AI services, such as Bedrock, Anthropic, SageMaker, and others. And also importantly, it helps them fine-tune their LLMs and leverages our responsible AI principles and framework. And we can help many organizations, as I said, accelerate that journey. In one case, we have one of our Canadian customers, Acto, that was seeking to leverage generative AI to accelerate and help their sales team in their performance of pharmaceutical sales in the field. And the generative AI solution was there as an aid, as assistant, if you will, to give them medical answers to drug prescription questions real time in the doctor's office.
Some of the other generative AI use cases that we're working with our customers across different industries are synthetic data generation, Gen AI chatbots for maintenance technicians in manufacturing, generative AI dashboarding, creating instruction guides or coursework from videos, generative AI-powered frontline pharma enablement, generative AI-powered legal contract management and redlining, and finally, generative AI pharmacovigilance to reporting adverse drug effects.
Become a next-gen leader with Quantiphi and AWS, harnessing the true power of generative AI with a zero-cost, no-commit 4-day Generative AI Advisory Series workshop.